Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to hide your space on ClickUps. Maybe you want to hide your space on ClickUps, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can hide your space on ClickUp. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you'll be directed to your home page. And you can also see below the notification icon, search icon, and then this dotted icon. And today, to hide your space on ClickUp, you need to tap on here three lines at the upper left corner of your screen. And you will see here the home, notifications, favorites, spaces, dashboard, and then in here to hide the space, simply tap on these spaces and choose the space you want to hide. For example, you want to hide this one, simply tap on it. And then in here to hide the space, you'll see here the three dots icon at the upper right corner of your screen, tap on it. And then in here, as you can see, below your action, you will see here add space. Tap on this hide space to hide your space. As you can see, the space is already hide since what you can see in here is unhide the space. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to hide your space on ClickUps, that is the easiest way and know how. If you know another way to hide your space on ClickUps, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.